Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making onion and coffee hair masks. So I've already washed my onions and I've cut it, so I'm going to be grating it so that I can squeeze out the juice from the onions. Most people don't like to use onions because I just assume that maybe it's because of the smell, because if you know the benefits of onions in our hair, you will not sleep on it. Like, you will want to be using it every day, because onions contain sulfur and sulfur aids in collagen production. We all know what collagen does. Collagen helps in a healthy production of skin cells, and this includes also the skin cells in your scalp. So try to use onions at least once a week. Most people use the paste, but it leaves residue in my hair, so I really don't like to use it, so I prefer to use the tea. And then for coffee, we know that the caffeine in the coffee, it helps like with blood circulation in our scalp, and it's because of this blood circulation that hair grows. If blood is circulating well in your scalp, I'm telling you that you are going to have massive hair growth. And then one thing about hair that people do not know is that hair care, like hair growth, hair care, having a healthy hair is consistency. It's a journey. It's not a one-day thing. Most people just want miracle to happen overnight. It doesn't work that way. Hair care is work, is consistency. You need to be consistent. Like, you have to be consistent to see results. Some people will say, oh, because you have hair naturally. Yeah, some people have natural, like natural good hair, natural full and long hair, genetics and most of those things. But yes, people who don't have those kind of genes, products work, and it's not one day. You need to be consistent. You can just decide on which routine you want to use this month. It can be coffee routine, it can be clothes routine. You just say, oh, this month or in the next 2 months I'm going to be using coffee for my hair. You make coffee mask, you make coffee oil, make coffee spray, and then the next month you're going to be going in with your cloves or moringa or so many other things. But it's work. Hair growth is work. And then one thing about hair is not just about the length or the fullness or the thickness. What about your scalp? You can have full hair, fine long hair, but what is inside is scary. What is inside the hair, like your scalp, is really scary. So let us not concentrate just on our length or the size of our hair. Let's also concentrate on the scalp. Itchy scalp is not good for those of you that have experienced it. And then dandruff, it makes your hair, if you braid and you go out, your scalp is always white, and that's not good for the hair. So let's try and be consistent. Before I continue, guys, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Please, guys, just hit the subscribe button. Thank you. Then again, let us try to always keep our hair hydrated. Not just our hair, even our body. Take a lot of water. Water is good for the hair, so always stay hydrated. As you're hydrating your hair, hydrate your body by taking a lot of water, and you are going to see results in just few months. So I'm done grating my onions. Now I'm going to be sieving it out to get just the juice. So if the smell is not an issue for you, you can actually leave this into your hair, but I don't leave mine. I just spray it, cover my hair, and leave it for like 1 or 2 hours. Then I wash it out. But some people spray it and leave it. But it all boils down to choice. So you can do whatever you choose to. So this is just the juice. Now I'm going to be adding my coffee. So you can actually turn this into a spray bottle and spray, or you can just use it like you just pour it into your hair. So I won't be turning mine into a spray bottle because I'll be using it now. So you just pour this into your hair, use your shower cap, your scarf or your bonnet, and then you leave it into your hair for like 1 hour or 2 hours, or as long as you want. It all depends on choice. Whatever you choose, you can leave it for as long as 5 hours, 6 hours, and then you wash it out. So that's all, guys. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.